Lainey and I snuck down to our friend's lake cottage because we knew they went to Michigan. And look what we found. We had a little pizza last night. We woke up this morning. We have some leftover pizza from last night. We're like, hey, let's cook that up for breakfast with some eggs. So that's what we're gonna do. Simple and easy. We don't have a ton left, but the pizza is perfect for what did we get on it? It's because it's like perfect
Mushroom,
for a
onion,
breakfast.
jalapeno.
Yeah. And hell, you put that all on an omelet, right?
Yep.
So we're just gonna, what are we, leftovers at the lake. Nice little joint. Just sit, throw butter down. Set these suckers on there. I think I should separate them or leave them as one big one. Separate? Okay. And then we're just gonna throw some eggs on top of this sucker, right?
Mm-hmm.
That sounds pretty good. How about this old school Blackstone? It's got some use in its day. I remember when Dan got it. Oh yeah?
Maybe.
I definitely don't know where the hot zones are on his. But it feels hot. I don't have all my tools. That's gonna get going. Probably should just tin it now. That right?
Mm-hmm.
So let that heat up. Okay, so we've been tinting that, see me getting that cheese melted. I'm gonna move it over here to the hot side, get it really crisped up, and then we're gonna do our eggs real quick. Yep. Ooh, yeah, look at that. That looks good. It's really crisp deep bottom. Whoops. Come on. Crisp up, baby. Get the eggs on. A little extra butter. Once you got that cheese melted, now we're just going to crisp up the bottom and get these eggs going. Pizza and Mexican. How about that? Multicultural. I think we're good. There. What do you think? Want me to make them a little harder?
I would like mine a little harder.
A little more? You don't want the
Runny
egg on there?
Not runny white.
Oh yeah. Simple, easy. Okay. You know what we did forget?
Paper plate.
Yep. What do you think? That looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Ready to rock and roll?
Put it in this thing right here.
Oh yeah. God damn, you're smart. That's why I married her.
Bottom crispy.
Keeps me in line. How does it feel?
Does feel good.
Okay. Boom. Oh yeah, this is for sure crispy. Look at that. Beautiful. Simple.
Nice.
Leftover egg sandwich. Egg. It's not even calling this pizza. Look at that. Boom. This is gonna be killer. Good. Okay, I'm going. Okay, so we got only one made it down here because we just couldn't wait. But let's see this taste test, baby.
Holy moly. The crust is super crisp. The jalapenos, onions, mushrooms. I think we should get another one for tomorrow morning.
Another, just get a pizza to
wow, that's amazing.
just to cook our breakfast on.
Wow.
With our feet in the water.
Yes.
Here, let me try one. Let's see.
We have to recreate this at home.
Yeah. Well, man, this pizza is
It's
super
so good.
And then it's like this isn't even pizza.
Right.
With the eggs. Oh, yeah. Damn. That's good stuff.
They've got good jalapenos there.
Oh, yeah. They went to the Mexican grocery store to get their jalapeno.
All right.
These are good.
We're going to go enjoy our day.